Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from QVR Hair. Inside the bag, I received the wig that I'll be installing along with an elastic band, an edge brush, and a drawstring bag. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. It's a 5x5 highlighted 28-inch deep wave wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It doesn't come with any clips, but it does come with an adjustable band. I'll be showing you guys step by step how I install this wig. So the first thing that I do is braid my client's hair. I've already done that, so now I'm just oiling her scalp. After I oil my client's scalp, I use my 𝐂𝐃 glue gel and place it on my client's hairline so I can slick her edges back. Once I place the 𝐂𝐃 on my client's hairline, I comb all the product through and then blow dry it on a warm setting. Now I'm gonna place the cap on my client's head. I'm using a pantyhose in replacement of a wig cap. For the ball cap, I use the adhesive and trace a thin layer with it on my client's hairline. For the makeup, I'm using my Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 14, and I'm placing it wherever the lace will be visible. This is how the wig looks after I fully customized it. Once the wig is positioned where I want it to be placed on my client's head, I use my angled brush and the same makeup to make a dotted line so I can know where to place the glue. After I made the dotted line, I lift the lace up so that the dotted line can be visible. Before placing my 3 layers of adhesive on, I clean the area where I'll be placing the glue without removing the dotted line. After I place the first layer of glue on, I wait until the glue is clear before I place the second layer on. When I'm spreading the glue across my client's hairline, I make sure that I spread it evenly so that it can dry at the same pace. Now that the first layer of glue is completely dried, I place the second layer on. When I'm placing the lace into the glue, I start with the middle and stretch the lace so that it doesn't have any rolls in it before placing it down into the glue. Once both sides of the lace are down, I have my client hold the two sides just for a little bit until I finish cutting the center. When I'm cutting the lace off that isn't needed, I try to go in a zigzag motion, or I try to trace the hairline so that it won't be as visible. Any area of the lace that didn't have any glue under it, I easily just pick it up and place a thin layer on my client's hairline so that the lace can be stick down. Once the entire lace is glued down, I use a thin layer and place it on top of the lace so that the wig is secured and melted. Now I'm just applying makeup so that the wig can match my client's skin tone better before placing the melting spray down. I'm using the same Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 14 to match my client's skin tone. After I match my client's skin tone, I'm going to use the melting spray and spray it across my client's hairline before placing the elastic band down. Normally, I'll leave the elastic band on for about 5 minutes and then do the edges, but I'm just going to finish styling the hair first before doing my client's edges. So now I'm just spraying her hair with just water, and I'm going to use a little bit of mousse to mix it with the water and just comb through the curls so that the curls can be brought back to life. This is how the hair came out after I brought the curls back. To clean up the part for this install, I'll be using a brown Sharpie, being that the wig is brown with some highlights in it. For this install, I'm doing it a bit different. Instead of doing the baby hairs and letting them dry while I style the hair, I did the styling of the hair first. I won't be using any mousse so that the baby hairs can dry. I'm just going to use straight 𝐂𝐃 gel. So I like to cut the baby hairs in a diagonal so that it'll look more natural. So I'm going to do that on both sides and then use my red flat iron to curl the baby hairs upward. When I'm swooping the baby hairs, I like to use my thumb to keep the curve in place while I swoop them. And this is how one side of the baby hair came out. Now I'm going to do the next side. After I finished with both baby hairs, I used some bio silk and placed it on my client's hairline before hot combing. When I'm hot combing my client's hairline, I like to comb through the hair first so that all the hairs lay in place once it's hot combed. After I finish hot combing my client's hairline and the top of the wig, I use the angled brush and makeup to outline the part. Let me know what you guys think about this install and the baby hairs, being that I did do it a bit different, but this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and continue watching for more clips of the finished look.